Welcome to Excel, and today we'll be learning of two functions called index and match. Index and match are one of the several lookup options which are available in Excel apart from VLOOKUP. These functions have their own unique features to it, and we'll be going through these functions individually as well as together to give you a clearer understanding. So first we'll be working with the match function. Match function returns a number based on the relative position of a lookup value within a defined array or a column. So here I want to find out which row West lies in this array. So for this I'm going to give the option is equal to match. Lookup value would be this one, comma, the array is going to be this, comma, and I'm going to give an exact option, exact match. By using this, it has showed that West lies in the fourth row in this particular array which has been defined. Now next we'll be working with the index function. For index function, the basic index function returns a value based on a defined array, a column, and a row number. In other words, if you want to find out what value lies in a specific row as well as a specific column in a defined array, we can use the index function. So here we use the index. The array would be this entire one. I want to find out in the fourth row in the second column what lies. For this, so from this array it shows that in the fourth row in the second column, sales 877 gets derived. Similarly, we can use this function to get we can combine these two options. So here, rather than using 4, I'm going to give this tab which contains already a match function which derives the fourth row. So again the number 877 gets because it is from the fourth row. Now if I change this value and if I make it east, this entire thing gets changed. So here the match function derives the third row, and here the index function using this option derives 569, which comes under east. Now to give a better clarity on how this actually works, we'll take another option. This contains details of all oil transactions between a country in a particular year. So here we see that we have oil transaction in the forms here. We have the number of times that has been done in Kuwait and all, and these are the transaction details which you need to look up. So for here we are going to match Kuwait with the entire array given, and we want to find out the total number of times that Kuwait has come in this particular array. So here we give the formula. So here we are going to give a formula if a summation of if. Now here if this particular array gets matched with this, 1 gets added to this column. So basically what happens is that here first when Kuwait gets matched, initially the value is 0. So when initially gets matched, 0 plus 1 gets 1, and then it looks at the second column again, which is Paris and Kuwait. No matches there, so it still remains as 1. Comes down here, it says another match Kuwait, so it becomes 1 plus 1, which becomes 2, and this entire function is pertain to this particular array. Now so we have found out that Kuwait here lies 4 number of times. So total 4 number of transactions has happened in this particular year between Kuwait. Now here if you go here, to derive the transaction details, first we'll be taking the index of this. So here the array would be this. We would want to get the transactional details in this array, and we'll be matching it. The row number which we're going to use will be from here, and the reference that we're going to take will be from here. So using index as well as match. So here the index is going to take the array from here. The match, the row number would be the match of this. So from this option we're going to get the entire details of this. So if you're gonna find another particular option, so if you're gonna take Paris for example, it will show that there are entirely 2 transactions here, and the 2 transaction details will be given here. Here these 2 will be not available because only 2 transactions are available. Similarly this can be done for other options as well. So this is how index match works with a certain option. Now taking one more example, here we have the name are given as name 1, name 2, name 2, and these are the semester marks across the marks of students across different semesters, so different students. Now we want to find out the specific marks of these students of student number 2 across different semesters. So for him, he has appeared we are using the same function as earlier. We want to find out the total number of times the student name 2 has come in this particular defined array. So here again we use summation of the total number of times that the name has come here. So from this we get that the name has come total of 4 number of times in this particular array. From this we are going to use index of the array is here this time. So we are using the entire array as this. Again we are using the reference will be taken as this, as well as the column number will be taken as this. So from this again we have gotten 57. So here the first semester the marks that the student has gotten is 57 for subject 1, and for second semester he has gotten 46, third semester he's gotten 94, and fourth semester he's got 97. Similarly, this can be expanded here across to check out marks across different things. We just have to change the call and verb. So here we are going to change it to 3. So we have gotten 56. We're going to change it to 4. I'm going to change this to 5, and we're going to change this to 6. Similarly, this can be dragged down to get the remaining marks for the entire semester. So from this, we have used how index and match function can be used in different particular examples to get the desired data. I hope you guys have learned from this exercise. Thank you.